In this video, we're going to explore 5 features of Canva's graphic design platform that can help you build and grow your YouTube channel. The first is the color palette generator. It can be really great for helping you build out your brand colors for your YouTube channel. You can upload an image if you have a favorite picture that you have, and the system will pull for you the main colors in that image. You can try some of the demo images that are available. Scroll through numerous color combinations that have already been put together, or even use a theme or keyword or particular color to build a palette off of. In this case, I entered the word mystery, and here's what we got. The second feature of Canva I want to discuss is actually 2 things, but they work so well together, let's just call them one. That is the channel banner template and the profile picture template. Here's a quick look at how a channel banner and profile picture can work together. Canva offers many different ready-made YouTube banner templates that you can use as a starting place, customize however you would like. Very easily, you can move around pieces of the banner, change out a text, all sorts of things like that. It's just a great way to give you inspiration and provide you with the base to start with. The same goes for profile pictures, which can be images of people, avatars, or logo-like designs. The third feature of Canva that's very helpful for building your channel is the intro and outro template. The intro templates are great for people who are looking to build a common introduction to their videos that people will learn to recognize. And the outro templates are great for building consistent endings to your videos and using them in conjunction with the YouTube system to preview additional videos on your channel, add subscribe buttons, and other features. The fourth great feature of Canva that I love to use is the YouTube video template. You can use it to make your whole video, but I use it often to make the transitions like the one you see on your screen. You can animate the transitions so it moves in different ways and brings attention and structure to your video. The fifth feature of Canva that is great when putting YouTube videos together is the elements. Included in elements are lots of assets that you can add to your videos, including audio tracks, stock footage, AI-generated images, graphics, stickers, photos, shapes, and even charts. Now that you've seen 5 features of Canva that can be used to help grow your YouTube channel, hop on over and check out some of my other videos with YouTube tips. Then head on over to Canva and give it a whirl.